How does sound affect our brain? In 2013, scientists from Duke University asked the same question. So they ran a simple experiment. They placed mice in different sound environments: music, random sounds, noise, and complete silence. And what they discovered surprised everyone. Mice that experienced just 2 hours of silence a day showed a growth of new brain cells in hippocampus. Basically, hippocampus is a part of a brain that is responsible for learning and forming new memories. So this study revealed something important, that our brain grows the same way our muscles do. See, our muscles don't grow when we are lifting weight. It grows when we are resting, when our body repairs itself and come back stronger. And silence is a resting for our body. Silence is when our mind repairs itself and grows. When you are surrounded by noise all the time, your brain behaves like it's in danger. It stays alert, tense, ready to react at any second. In this state, stress level stays high. And when your brain is under constant stress, it stops focusing on growth and switches into survival mode. But the silence does the opposite. When our mind is surrounded by silence, it understands one thing: there is no danger right now. So it becomes calmer. And in this calm state, it turns from survival mode to repairing mode. This is a time when it repairs itself and growth begins. Just like a plant grows only when the environment feels safe and stable, silence creates that safe environment for your brain. But nowadays, it's difficult to find that space in our daily routine. Just take your example. Your phone wakes you up. Something is playing in your ears all the time. Notifications follow you everywhere. Your mind never truly rests. Neuroscientists call this state continuous partial attention. It means your brain is always on, always reacting, always jumping from one thing to another. So what's the solution? Locking yourself in a silent room? No. Because even if you surround yourself with silence, there is a chaos in your mind. So the moment you will put your phone away and look inward, the negative thought will creep in. You will start daydreaming, and slowly anxiety will take control of your mind. So just putting yourself in a silent environment is not enough if your mind is not stable. And this is where the real solution begins: the meditation. When you meditate, your thoughts slow down, your body relaxes, and your brain begins to recover. I know there are many YouTube videos available on meditation, but here's what I follow. I sit down comfortably, I set the timer for 10 minutes, then I close my eyes. Firstly, negative thought appears. You cannot do anything about it. Fighting with it is impossible. So I simply bring my attention to my breathing. So every time my mind daydreams or anxiety takes over, I try to get my attention back to my breathing. Just simply inhale and exhale. For entire 10 minutes, that's all I do. It's impossible to fight those negative thoughts or the mind when your mind goes for daydreaming into unknown world. Just bring back your attention to breathing. I know it's not easy as it sounds, but over time you will learn it. Over time you will become much more calmer and much more clearer. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing video. Have an amazing day.